Hello and welcome back to AutoMobility Store's YouTube channel. In today's video, I wanted to go over the top 3, and this is my opinion, top 3 mobility scooters to take to a theme park. Previously, I did my top 3 for airline travel as well as cruise ships. So I was thinking getting your mobility back means you can do the things you love, and I know one of the things I love to do is go to theme park. So again, these are just opinion based, with my expertise. So I'm gonna start first with it's actually Pride's newest model GoGo scooter. It's the Elite Traveler 2 Platinum. I'm picking this one because this has that easy turn technology. It gives you that 3-wheel turning radius with the 4-wheel stability of a scooter. So if when you're going through those lines or just going through people in these theme parks, that could be tricky. So it's really good to have that nice turning radius, but you're still very stable. You're also going to get, with the standard battery, you're going to get about 6.6 miles per charge, but you can upgrade to the 18 and get at least 10.4 miles per charge. That's at that 300-pound capacity. So that's a plus. You get good miles. I always suggest, when you go and sit down and have lunch, maybe plug it in, give it a nice full charge. So 300-pound weight capacity on this one. That wonderful turning radius is why I chose this one, as well as the new mesh back seat that they have. It's super comfortable if you're going to be sitting in it for a while. So this is the GoGo Elite Traveler 2 Platinum by Pride Mobility. And actually, all 3 that I picked are Pride Mobility scooters. That doesn't mean there aren't, other models or brands out there, that could work. But these are just, again, my opinion. Next, I picked the GoGo Super Portable, again, by Pride Mobility. This one's great. It's a lot smaller, very portable. It's in the name. So again, going through the people and just tight spaces, stuff like that, you're in a smaller scooter. But you still get that 300-pound weight capacity, which is excellent. And you get a 10-mile range with the standard battery pack that comes with it. So that's definitely a plus. Super portable, so folds up. So when you are going to the theme park, putting it into your vehicle for the ride there, super easy. You just fold it up. It's extremely lightweight. Let me get you that weight. If you remove the battery pack, you're only looking at about 41.6 pounds. And then when it's collapsed, you're only looking at a height of, I want to say it's 10 inches. So it's 10 inches in height. So great for traveling. Again, small, compact. All right. So again, that's the GoGo GoGo Super Portable by Pride Mobility. All right. And then lastly, this to me, if you're looking to save money, this is going to be your best bet price wise. But this is the GoGo Ultra X 3-wheel that I have chosen. Also gives you that 300-pound weight capacity. And I say price wise because these folding ones like the Super Portable, they can add up for good reason though. And then your Platinum 2, it's a little pricier than this, but this one is going to obviously give you that 3-wheel turning radius because it is a true 3-wheel. So you don't have that full stability of a 4-wheel, but if that's not an issue, a 3-wheel won't be an issue. So comes apart again for the ride there to the theme park. You can take it apart into a few pieces to put it into your vehicle. The only, I guess, downside is going to be the driving range. So you're only gonna get at least 6.2 miles per charge. So if you don't plan on doing too much traveling through that park, it's not going to be a problem. I mean, it might not sound like a lot, but 6.2 miles, it takes a while to hit that, especially with a scooter like this. It only tops out at like 4.3 miles per hour. But as I always suggest, plug it in at lunchtime. You'll be good for the rest of the day. But yeah, this one, it's great. Again, compact, going through all the people. I think either 3 of these would be a great choice for you. So I don't know if you've gone roller coasters. I love roller coasters. I don't love the one or any kind of ride that spins around or anything, but I'm a huge roller coaster fan. So whatever your preference, enjoy the theme park. 3 great choices here. If you have any questions, give AutoMobility Store a call at 800-431-3183.